Want to make money on Airbnb but don't own any property? Here's exactly how people are doing it, step by step. The strategy is called rental arbitrage. You don't need to buy a home. Instead, you rent a property from a landlord, then list it on Airbnb. Here's how it works. Find a property that allows midterm or corporate rentals. Then talk to the landlord and be upfront. Tell them you'd like to rent the place for corporate or short-term housing. Reassure them by saying the unit will be professionally cleaned, well-maintained, and that they can cancel the agreement anytime if there's an issue. Many landlords will agree, especially if you're renting multiple units at once. Some people start with 1 or 2, others scale to 10 or more. Once you sign the lease, you'll need to furnish the unit yourself and list it on Airbnb with great photos and a strong title. Here's the key. The goal is to charge more on Airbnb than your monthly rent and pocket the difference. For example, if rent is $1,500 and you earn $3,000 a month from bookings, that's $1,500 in profit without owning the property. Many hosts recover their initial investment, like furniture and deposit, in the first 30 to 60 days. And that's how you can make money on Airbnb without owning any real estate. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.